In this training, I'm going to show you how you can run GPT Image 2 inside Photoshop. It's very easy. For that, we are going to use a plugin called GPT Image made by me. If you don't have this plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description. It will take you to a page like this. You can go through it. It's a very complete plugin. It has lots of features, lots of AI models. Here you can see the list of all AI models with their settings, specifically to get high quality, for example, Nano Pro 4K, and lots of other features. When you download the plugin, you will get a file like this. All you need to do is to just double click on it. It will open Adobe Creative, and if you have Photoshop already installed, it will install the plugin on that, and all you need to do is to click on Open Photoshop, and it will load the plugin. If you don't see the plugin, you can come here to the plugins menu at the top, and GPT Image Pro will be available here. Just turn it on. Then you can move it to the window that you prefer. So here we have GPT Image 2. Now for this plugin to work, you need to connect it to a website. So it sends your request to, for example, GPT Image or any other AI models. For that, we are going to use a platform called Replicate. So all you need to do is to come to replicate.com. Again, the link will be down in the description. Create an account here, then come to billing. Here you can add some amount of credit. This is for each image generation. For example, you can add on credit, and you can select $10, $20, or even custom. You can add $1 just for a test and see how it is. After you added credit, you need to go to API tokens. Then here you can just write a name in this input. For example, you can write whatever you like. This is for yourself. I wrote Photoshop, and then click on create token. A token or a key was created here. All you need to do is to come here, click on this icon to copy the token, and then come back here inside the plugin, go to the settings, and on the first page we have API. The first item is replicate API. All you need to do is to just paste your API key here by pressing Ctrl V on Windows or Command V on Mac. And then when you paste it, just click on save. That's it. Now the plugin is connected to Replicate website. And all the requests that you send, if you come to dashboard on Replicate, you can see all of them here. And sometimes some requests may fail. Sometimes their servers are busy, and it may take some time, 1 or 2 minutes to generate. For example, you can see here, I have generated many images with GPT Image 2. It was running for 2 minutes to create the image that I wanted, and it cost me less than 1 cent. It's amazing. Let me show you how it works. When you come to the plugin, here in the core tab, you can write your prompt, whatever you want. Then if you scroll down, here are the AI models. You can select one or more AI models at the same time, this way. Or if you want to run the same model a couple of times with the same prompt, when you just hover your mouse on this number, if you just click multiple times on it, you can increase it up to number 4. It means if I send this request, for example, this person is on a stage talking about AI models and AI image generation tools. So this is my prompt. All I need to do is to click on the selection tool, make a selection, whatever I want. Usually I prefer to select the whole image. And then since this model is active, if we scroll down under it, you can see the settings. If you just click on it, you can see the information. For example, you can select high quality, you can select the aspect ratio that you want, and the format. Right now, these are the settings that are available, but I think in the next upcoming days, there will be some updates to add more settings like more aspect ratio, or I think we may be also able to add transparent background as well. So when you make your selection and you're happy with the setting, all you need to do is to click on generate. Then it will start to load the images. It will send your request. Since The number here is 4. We have sent 4 requests to replicate platform. And if we come here to dashboard, if I just refresh the page, here we must be able to see the 4 new requests that we have sent. As you can see, it is processing. If for any reason it fails, it will not charge you any money. And you can just click here and then it will show you the error, why it failed. Sometimes it is because of your prompt. Sometimes their servers are busy. But right now that I'm recording this video, it is loading all images successfully. Right now for GPT Image 2, it usually takes between 1 to 2 minutes, especially for high quality, to prepare the images. And when the results are ready, it will place the results here itself as a new layer. So I'm going to fast forward until the images are ready. All the 4 images are ready and you can see them each as a new layer. This is one of the images. This is another one. This is another one. And we created all of them with just a single click and a single prompt. Just ran it a couple of times. And while it is running, you can run different models as well. You can, again, send the same request a couple of times. And it will load each images based on the requests that you have. For example, I use the same image to create these kind of funny live stream images. I will write the prompt that I use to generate this image down in the description as well, in case if you want to use it for your image. It's very interesting and exciting. And the good thing about GPT Image 2 is that it is amazing with text. It understands what kind of text it should use based on your topic. And it almost doesn't make mistakes in the text. And that is amazing. No other AI model out there, even Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2, will not give you an image like this at all. You can use GPT Image 2 to generate new images or to edit the images that you already have. For example, here I changed the material of the sofa and chairs to light brown leather, or you can convert it to even a night time. And here is another example for a handwriting math and physics test. And you can see it is very detailed and everything is correct. Here's another example that you can see. And again, no other AI model is able to do something like this. Even the thumbnail of this video, I have created it with GPT Image 2. I have sent a couple of requests here. One of them I liked the most, which was this one. And I brought it here. I added some other elements. I wrote a text. I made it a little bit bigger. And I got to this cool, funny image. One thing is that the quality of the images that GPT Image 2 is making is not 4K yet. I'm looking forward for them to make it 4K. But this is the quality that it is giving us right now. But on this plugin, you have no issues because if you go to the Pro tab, here we have lots of other features. But under enhancements, we have upscaling models like Crystal and Magnific. These two are the best of them. You can come here, make a selection again, select Magnific, for example, go to the settings, and from here you can select the settings that you want and then click on generate, and it will generate the result that you want. I already did that, and we can compare the quality. This is before, and this is the upscaling model after it. You can see all the little details of the image, all the small hairs. You can see them with high quality. Look at the lightening here. It's amazing. So even though the GPT Image 2 doesn't generate 4K results, you can use Crystal or Magnific to upscale your image into 4K or even higher resolutions. So this is how you can run GPT Image 2 inside Photoshop. Again, if you don't have the plugin, you can get it from the link down in the description. And if you need some tutorials about this plugin, I will share the link of a couple of videos down in the description as well. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our upcoming trainings and tutorials on AI. So that would be all. I hope to see you soon on the next video.